Hey, what's up you guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make money online with YouTube Shorts. Now, the best part about this method is you don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice, and people every day online are starting to make money with this method of YouTube Shorts. Now, this is a perfect time to get into YouTube Shorts because YouTube is really pushing the new platform because of services like TikTok, Instagram Reels, of these short form videos under 1 minute. So if you wanna start making money with YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face, without ever using your voice, I'm gonna show you exactly how in this video. Now guys, I'm gonna walk you through every single step, but the first one is to go to video here and click on mobile video. Once you get to mobile video, then all we're gonna do is drag a video from here all the way to the actual video area. Hey guys, we'll get to those steps in just a second because it's a full tutorial step by step how you can make money with YouTube Shorts. Now guys, you're gonna wanna stick till the end of this video because I'm gonna go step by step showing you exactly how you can take advantage of this opportunity of YouTube Shorts. Again guys, these YouTube Shorts are blowing up. My wife got over 45 million views using a YouTube Short. So how can we use this to start making money? How can we use this insane opportunity to start making money online before everyone else jumps into this trend? Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom, time freedom, but more importantly, quit your 9-to-5 job that you do not like and you have no passion for. If you want to learn exactly how you can do that, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Now let's get into the actual video. All right guys, so first let's talk about what are YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna show you exactly right now. So if we go to youtube.com, we type in hashtag shorts, you can see here it's these mini videos under 1 minute. Now it's a different type of video other than like the regular YouTube videos. They're vertical videos. If you've ever been on TikTok or Instagram Reels, you would know exactly what I'm talking about, but they're basically different types of videos and people consume them differently, okay? Now, if you have the YouTube app, it's not like the regular YouTube videos. YouTube Shorts actually has its own section where people can basically scroll up and see these YouTube Shorts, okay? Now, if you look here, a lot of these YouTube Shorts have millions and millions of views because YouTube is really pushing this new feature. They want to compete with TikTok, they want to compete with IG Reels, so they're really pushing this feature, okay? Now, the cool thing here is YouTube Shorts are literally blowing up our business and my wife's YouTube channel as well. As you can see here, this is one of our YouTube Shorts that me and my wife created. You can see I'm in this video right here. It's a literally 14-second video and over 44 million views. Like literally insane, guys, okay? Not only that, this is what I really want to show you here is if we go to socialblade.com, which is basically a website that gives you stats on YouTube channels, you can see here this channel was literally dead for a long time, right? She's been posting for a long time, okay? It was virtually dead. She posted a YouTube short and look at that, like literally overnight, she started gaining millions and millions of views, okay? Not only that, we have tons of subscribers now with this channel here, okay? So YouTube Shorts are insane. Now, the cool thing here is YouTube is actually introducing the YouTube Shorts Fund. So they're actually putting in over $100 million for creators to create YouTube Shorts. Again, YouTube really wants people to create YouTube Shorts because they want to compete with the competition. Now guys, I'm going to show you a better way to make money with YouTube Shorts, but having this fund just tells us that YouTube really wants us to post using YouTube Shorts, but I'll get into that in just a bit. All right guys, so the first thing we need to do is we need to find a niche for YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna go to youtube.com and I'll show you a really easy way to do this. Basically, we could type in hashtag shorts here at the top and then a plus. Now you can see here that there's gonna be a lot of niches that you can get involved in: the travel niche, affiliate marketing, gadgets, weight loss, motivation, gaming, all kinds of stuff that you can start promoting, right? This just gives you a ton of ideas. Now, let's just go with the top one here, travel niche, right? So if we go to youtube.com, we can kind of get some ideas of what we can use for travel, right? So if we go to, let's just say travel on YouTube, we can actually see what people are posting when it comes to travel, right? So you can see here, back to travel, Italy road trip, 25 most beautiful destinations, 25 most beautiful destinations in Europe. So that kind of gives me some ideas, right? What can we post? What are people gonna like with these type of niches, right? So this is just doing some quick research on what you could do with the travel niche. So what we can do with a YouTube short is have like top 5 destinations to, you know, natural wonders of the world, right? So we can start with that, right? So I'm gonna put wonders of the world on YouTube, and there we go. So the Taj Mahal, Colosseum, was that Chichen Itza, Machu Picchu, Peru, like all these 7 wonders. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually create like a 3-part video, right? Because we can't obviously put 7 parts in a YouTube short. You only have a few minutes, or you only have 1 minute. So what we can do is we can break this up into like 3 different videos, right? We can have like top 3. This is video number 1. We could have the next 2 or something like that, video number 2, and then the last 2 here, which is video number 3. Okay, so what we can do here with video number 1 is we can use these top 3 things here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use images and recreate this as a YouTube short. Okay, so what I like to do here is let's just start with the Taj Mahal. Okay, so this is the first image we're going to use. So I'm actually going to go to Google. I'm going to go to google.com, and I'm going to put that in here, Taj Mahal. Okay, and then if we go to images, we can see a bunch of images of the Taj Mahal. Now it's really important to actually go to tools over here and then actually go to usage rights and go to Creative Commons licenses, okay? You wanna make sure you're using Creative Commons, that way you don't get in trouble, you don't get any copyright issues when it comes to uploading YouTube videos. And I'll show you a real quick article that talks about Creative Commons. Now inside of the Google blogs, you can see here that you can actually use Creative Commons to make videos on YouTube without giving credit to the original owner. Okay, you guys can do some more research on this, but I just wanted to show you real quick that this is legal. This is from Google themselves, and a lot of people are making money with these Creative Commons videos or images. Okay, so you can do some more research on this if you'd like. I just wanted to show you how this works. Now again, we want to go ahead and use an image here, so I'm going to just choose the best image. So let's just choose this one here. I'm just going to copy this image, so I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to save the Taj Mahal. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for all these images here, the Colosseum, and then the Chichen Itza. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I'm going to use these 3 images here, and I'm going to create a video from that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll come back to the video. All right, guys, so now let's talk about how do we actually create the YouTube shorts. We're going to go to a website called canva.com where we can use this to create these videos for free. Now, all right, guys, so now we can go ahead and create our YouTube shorts using this mobile video platform. Now you can see here on the left, there's a bunch of templates that you can use, but what we're going to do here is we're going to upload those pictures that we got on Google. So if we go to uploads here, I'm going to go ahead and upload my media, and I'm going to get it straight from my computer. Now I uploaded 4 videos. I'm going to show you, or 4 pictures, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that. Again, guys, we're going to do this in different parts because I want to do, if we go back here, I want to use these 3 as the part 1 of the video, right? You can try to put all 7 if you like, but now you're going to have more YouTube short videos that you can use in the future, okay? So I'll show you exactly how this works, okay? Now that we have the 4 images here, you see that what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create this video, okay? So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how. I'm going to first drag these in here. This is going to be like our intro, okay? This is going to be like, hey, these are the top 7 wonders of the world, part 1, right? So this is going to be like my first image. Now I'm going to do that maybe 5 seconds. Then we could go down here and click on this step, okay? So it's going to add a new image. So then we're going to do the first one here. So we're going to do the Taj Mahal. There we go. We can stretch this image out, make sure it fills up the whole thing here. There we go. Looks really nice. I like these images, okay? Second one here, I believe it was, let me just check, is the Colosseum. So we're going to use the Colosseum here. Again, we're going to stretch this out. Here we go. There we go. Cool. And it's a really up close image of it, so it looks really, really nice. And then last one here is we're going to use the Shitsu Itsu. I'm not sure what it's called, guys. Sorry about that, but here we go. So this image here, that image is a little blurry, so I'd probably find another one, but for the purposes of this video, we're gonna go ahead and use that, okay? So I'm gonna use that right here, and now we have our video. Now the cool thing here is it's a 20-second video. We could actually time these a little less, so we can do like 3 seconds, 2 seconds, if we didn't wanna make it too long, right? So let's just do Let's do 2.5 seconds. That way it's not too long. Now I'm gonna play it here. As you can see, it's gonna go through a slideshow of the top 7 wonders of the world. Okay, so it looks really cool so far. Now let's add some text, we'll add some music to this video. All right guys, so I'm gonna scroll back to the first image here at the bottom, as you can see. And the cool thing is you can actually move these if you'd like. If you didn't like this order, you can kind of move them around. Really easy to do, as you can see here. But what we're gonna do is add text to here, okay? So really easy to do, just add text. I'm gonna go back to the first one here. I'm gonna do the first one for you real quick, and then I'll show you how we can do this, replicate it every single time, all right? So I'm gonna go to add headline here. I'm gonna put 7 wonders of the world. All right guys, so as you can see here, I put Taj Mahal for this first one here, so I can literally just copy this. That's really cool in Canva, and just literally copy this on every single one. Oops, let me actually go back here, delete that. Okay, so I just want to copy the text. Let me see here, go back over here. It's not letting me do that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do it on every single page here, but as you can see, all we gotta do is add our text and our square, and then we're good to go. So let me go ahead and add this to the slide, and I'll come back to it and I'll show you how to add music. All right guys, so as you can see here, I did a real quick video here. Obviously we can go ahead and make it nicer if you like, make the text better, but it's good to go, right? I just want to show you for the gist of the video how it works. Okay, now let's go ahead and add music to make this video complete. All right, so if you actually go on the left here, if you go to more, and if you go to audio, you can actually use a ton of audio. Now this is the paid version of Canva. If you don't want to pay for it, that's totally okay. I'll show you how to get a free audio. If you actually go to YouTube and you have a YouTube channel, which is free to have anyways, you can actually go to the YouTube studio over here on the right. So you can go to YouTube Studio, and it's gonna bring you to the studio, and on the left here, you can go to Audio Library, okay? Now in Audio Library, it's gonna show you a ton of audios you can use absolutely free and royalty free, meaning you don't have to use, or you're not gonna get demonetized. You can use this as your own, okay? So you can go ahead and type in something, I don't know, maybe like travel or something of that nature, right? And obviously find a song that works for you. I'm just gonna go ahead and download this one. You know, you can listen to it if you like, but just for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna download this video, or download this sound here, and that's good to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and upload this sound. So really easy to do, guys. If you go to the uploads here, and I'm gonna upload media, go to device here, and upload that song. As you can see, it just uploaded. Super easy to do, guys. You literally, I'm doing it in front of you. But yeah, so now you upload this here, give it a second to upload, and I can literally drag this on the video itself. Okay, it's really easy to use Canva. I really love how they added this feature to create videos. Okay, so let me go ahead, and looks like it's still uploading here. Okay, so now that the video is uploaded, or the sound is uploaded, we can go ahead and drag this on the actual video. Okay, so now I can go ahead and preview this whole sound. Let's see here. So now I could even drag this sound. There we go. So I can kind of pick a spot I like, and then go ahead and download the video here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download as an MP3, and we're gonna download the video, MP4 video. Yep, there we go. And then download the video. All right, guys, so the video is actually downloaded here. You can actually go see it, so it'll upload or download straight to your computer, and you can go ahead and view it. Check it out real quick. There's our quick video we made. Very easy to do. Obviously the song sucks, right? But you guys get the point of how this works. So anyways, the video is done. Let me get out of here. Now let's go ahead and upload it to YouTube. So we're gonna go to youtube.com. Obviously you have to create a YouTube channel. I have a bunch of videos on how you can create a YouTube channel from scratch. Go check that out if you don't know how to do that. But guys, it's pretty simple. All we gotta do is in our YouTube channel, go to create here and upload the YouTube short, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and start uploading this video here. I'm gonna select file, and then select the file of the YouTube short, okay? And then we can start uploading this actual video, okay? So 7 Wonders of the World Part 1, okay? We can just leave it like that, okay? But what we do have to do is we have to tell YouTube that it's a YouTube short because it's still in beta, okay? Now, most of the time, it'll know that it's under a minute and it will automatically categorize it as a YouTube short. But just to make sure, we can go to and type in hashtag shorts, and then type in our title, 7 Wonders of the World Part 1. Now guys, I want to show you real quick how we can optimize this to show up on YouTube search, and we can get more people to this video. Now, naturally you're going to get more views because it is a YouTube short, but we can do some quick YouTube search optimization. Okay, so the title here is we have 7 Wonders of the World, part 1. Now the description here, what I like to do is add kind of a quick description of what the video is about, right? So 7 Wonders of the World, talk about the Colosseum. We could even put this here, Taj Mahal Colosseum, and we could put this inside the description here. Okay, so 7 Wonders of the World part 1, and then we could put a description. Now I wouldn't spend too much time into this, just like a normal YouTube video, but you still want to have some sort of description here. Now last thing what we want to do is add a tag. So I'm not sure why I'm not seeing it. Here we go. So tags here, we can go ahead and add tags of what this is about. Now the easiest way to do this, guys, is if we go to a website called Rapid Tags, we can actually type in, you know, something like 7 Wonders of the World, and it's going to give us a bunch of tags, right? So we can go ahead and copy that and go ahead and put this inside of here. Okay, so if I go to the tags again, let me go back up. We can go ahead and copy that inside of here. Okay, so I'm gonna delete some of these are just my normal tags here, but you can see now we have tags so YouTube knows what the video is about, so they can show it to the right people. Now let's get to the best part. How do we actually make money with YouTube Shorts? Now again, I did mention that you can make money with the YouTube Creator Fund. They're giving away over $100 million. But guys, we don't know how much they're gonna give away, so how can we actually almost guarantee that we're gonna make money using this traffic? Okay, so first of all is we need to find an offer that's going to resonate with our audience. So obviously we're in the travel niche, so how can we find an offer that we can promote as an affiliate? Okay, so obviously we're promoting travel, so let's look for travel affiliate programs. Honestly, the best way to go is go to google.com and type in travel affiliate programs. You can go down and see the best programs out there, right? So I'm going to go here and say 10 best travel affiliate programs to earn big money. Okay, so I can go down here and see what programs I can start promoting here. Okay, so you can see here Expedia.com 11% commissions, Booking.com 40% travel payouts. I mean, I'm liking this 70% commissions. That's pretty good, guys. So you can literally go here and sign up. Okay, it's probably a website where, you know, you tell them that, you know, how they can book flights, how they can book hotel. I'm not sure exactly, I'm not in this niche, but obviously do some research and figure out. So you can see I can join today. Over 28 million people have been paid out. You know, I might promote this program. This might be something I want to do if you're in this niche, right? In this niche. So I'm gonna go ahead and join this here and, you know, grab your affiliate link. Once you have that, guys, all you gotta do here, let's just say, you know, you wanna promote a website that books hotels, right? So let's just say, you know, book your hotel, whatever the offer is, right? I don't know if they have a, you know, 20% off, book your hotel, 20% off now, right? And then your affiliate link. Okay, then you put your affiliate link. Really easy, guys. So again, you're going to sign up to these programs here. I have no idea what they're offering, but you can obviously kind of guess, right? With maybe Expedia.com, obviously they're gonna help people book, right? So you can see here if you need help booking hotels or cruises or flights, anything like that, right? You can see you can join now and you have your own link, right? Obviously you want to do your own research on this, but that's how you make money. Really simple, guys. Same thing if you're creating YouTube shorts in the keto niche, then you're gonna want to find keto products that go with this actual niche, okay? And then put your affiliate link here. That's exactly how you make money using YouTube Shorts. Now guys, the goal here is to take the virality of YouTube Shorts, getting all this traffic, taking advantage of that, building a following, but more importantly, using those views, using that following to make money using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is what helped me go from a full-time corporate job that I absolutely hated to now creating a business that pays me passively every single day. Now guys, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started from the ground up, but more importantly, how you can build a business that's going to allow you to quit your job, achieve financial freedom, and achieve time freedom. If you want to learn exactly how you can get started, I have a link down below to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge that's going to show you exactly how you can get started in just 3 days. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make money using YouTube Shorts. If you have any questions at all, please comment down below. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed the content, and have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.